The pillow packaging machine is controlled by a 7-inch touch display, which is easy to operate, and the working status is clear. It is ergonomically designed and can be easily and quickly maintained, repaired, and overhauled. Reduce the labor intensity of the operator and effectively improve production efficiency. It is suitable for the packaging of various solid and regular objects such as baked food, mooncakes, bread, biscuits, etc., medical equipment, candy, medicine, daily necessities, hardware parts, cartons, or trays.